Hello friends, welcome to our channel Myths and Facts. Today let us see about Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. People don't take trips, trips take people. And if you're ready, let's begin. Cambodia is a country located in the southern portion of the Indo-China Peninsula in Southeast Asia. The current population of Cambodia is 1,68,41,917 people based on Worldometer elaboration of the latest United Nations UN data. Climate of Cambodia is a tropical climate with warm temperatures throughout the year. Cambodia flag. It has featured a depiction of Angkor Wat in the center. It is the only one in the world to feature a building. The garment industry represents the largest portion of Cambodia's manufacturing sector, accounting for 80% of the country's exports. Language spoken by most of the population of Cambodia is Khmer. Agriculture is the mainstay of the Cambodian economy. Football is one of the most popular sports in Cambodia. Rural Cambodians wear a krama scarf, which is a unique aspect of Cambodian clothing. Kupre was made the national animal of Cambodia. Kupre means forest ox in the Khmer language. The cuisine of Cambodia contains tropical fruits, soups and noodles. Ramduyal was proclaimed the national flower of Cambodia. Sompot, Spei, Songkheben is a Cambodian couple wearing traditional wedding outfit. Borassus flabellifer is the national tree of Cambodia, which is a type of palm tree. Cambodian New Year celebration are held in April every year. Locals celebrate by having a water fight that got be experienced at least once in your life. This is the biggest celebration of the year. Chicken egg banana is the national fruit of Cambodia. There are two international airports in Cambodia, and they are Phnom Penh International Airport and Siem Reap International Airport. Giant bar is the national fish of Cambodia. Buddhism is enshrined in the constitution as the official state religion. The national dish, fish amok, is a tantalizing blend of freshly caught river fish marinated with coconut cream and spices before steamed in a banana leaf. Royal turtle is the national reptile of Cambodia. A nori or nori is an improvised rail vehicle from Cambodia. Lonely Planet describes it as Cambodia's bamboo train. The train runs at speeds of up to 50 km on the meter gauge tracks around Battambang and Poipet. The Cambodian riel is the currency of Cambodia. Cambodia is known as the land of smiles. Cambodia's gentle culture is influenced by Theravada Buddhism practiced by the bulk of its population. Giant ibis is the national bird of Cambodia. The world visits this tiny country for the chance to see Angkor Wat, the 8th wonder of the world. Cambodia has to apply and get 2 e-visas. Indians can obtain a visa on arrival for Cambodia. Cambodia ranks number 71 in the list of countries by population stadium. Angkor Wat. It is the heart and soul of Cambodia. It is the biggest religious complex in the world. The grounds of the temple cover an area of more than 500 acres. That's about 50 times larger than the site of Machu Picchu. Phnom Penh. The largest city in Cambodia, once known as the Pearl of Asia, Phnom Penh is considered one of the prettiest of the cities and it is known as the Royal Palace. For visitors, this is Cambodia's most cosmopolitan destination. Sihanoukville Beaches. It is also known as Kampong Som Province. It is the most popular Cambodian beach resort on the Gulf of Thailand. The beaches are popular with a variety of travelers from backpackers who stay in huts on the beach to those who prefer the luxury of 5-star hotels. Koh Her. It is a remote temple area about 120 kilometers. Koh Her was the capital of Khmer Empire. It was one of Cambodia's inaccessible temple destinations. Spectacular buildings and immense sculptures were constructed. Siem Reap. It is the 10th largest province in Cambodia. Undoubtedly, Cambodia's fastest growing city and serves as a small charming gateway town to the world famous destination of the Angkor temples. It has transformed itself into a major tourist hub. Bayon Temple. It is one of the most beautiful renditions of the intricate art and architecture around in Cambodia. This ancient temple is part of the rich history of the place and holds a significant place in the tourism of Cambodia. National Museum of Cambodia, home to one of the finest Khmer sculpture collections. It is one of the top museums in Phnom Penh, the capital. One of the first things to see in the museum includes a bronze reclining Vishnu statue. Kratie. It is a small town located on the banks of the Mekong River and is dominated by a central marketplace surrounded by old French colonial buildings. It is a place in Cambodia to see the rare Irrawaddy dolphins. Battambang. The lush countryside and the Quickie caves at Battambang make it one of the tourist places in Cambodia. Enjoy a bike ride along the rice paddy fields that are lined by lakes and streams and learn the art of rice wine cultivation as well as weaving beautiful traditional clothing. Kampot. It is more famous for its peppers than for tourists. Kampot's black peppercorns are famous with government cooks around the world. It is the gateway to Bokor National Park. Crab curry is a popular local dish. Poi Pet. It is the land of casinos and karaoke bars where the locals join in with the tourists to enjoy a fun time. They explore the beer gardens here or enjoy some Khmer coffee at the local shops here. Cape. It is a small seaside resort that offers a variety of beach activities. Snorkelers can enjoy viewing the corals. On the bottom of the shallow sea, Rabbit Island is a popular beach near Cape. Visitors can also take in panoramic ocean view at Cape National Park. Ban Lang. Ban Lang in northern Cambodia makes a great destination for travelers who enjoy being outdoors. Several tour companies overnight or multi-day trips into the jungles, allowing adventuresome travelers to get up close and personal with nature. Tonle Sap. It is the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia and it is a home to many ethnic Vietnamese and numerous Cham communities living in floating villages around the lake. Silver Pagoda, Temple of the Emerald Buddha of Cambodia. It is located on the south side of the Royal Palace compound in Phnom Penh. The Vihara houses has many national treasures such as gold and jeweled Buddha statues. Bokor Hill Station. It was built by the French in the 1920s and it is used as a retreat from the heat of Phnom Penh. Today, Bokor Hill Station and its abandoned buildings have an eerie ghost town feel. Koh Rong, one of the most beautiful places in Cambodia. Those looking for adventure will absolutely love the island paradise that has a number of beaches. Central Market. One of the top places for shopping in Cambodia is the Central Market, which is mostly an art decoration market. The building is shaped like a cross with a central dome. Previgar Province. It is known for its tropical hardwood forests and lush countryscapes, but its main alluring factor is the Prasad Previgar complex. Pay a visit to this large Hindu temple complex that is situated at atop a cliff in the Dangrang Mountains. These are the specifications of Cambodia. If you get a chance, don't forget to visit Cambodia. I think you have enjoyed watching the virtual travel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment your favorite Asian countries below.